Hey traders, Michael Harding here from Left Turn. Today I want to give back some thanks to TradingView. I've just recently started using TradingView for sharing my analysis and developing trade plans. Before, I would just go over to TradingView and just use it as a place to look at price action really quickly and look at the price of various stocks or currency pairs. And it was just recently that I started writing some articles, and I truly enjoy using the interface. And before I was always using MetaTrader 4, but I'm actually more inclined to using TradingView nowadays than ever before. And so obviously whenever getting started using a trading interface for the first time, you always have this little bit of learning curve. And so today I want to talk about some of the keyboard shortcuts that I discovered, some of the little tips and secrets that I also uncovered as well about TradingView that I'd like to share with you guys to give you guys a better user experience for your viewers as well. So let's get started with this. So to access the keyboard shortcuts, all you need to do is click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner and then scroll down until you click on keyboard shortcuts. And there you'll see a pop-up screen which has all of the different categories with the different keyboard shortcuts. So let me just find a few examples here. So if I would like to add an alert, I just press Alt-A. So let's try that. So Alt-A. Okay, and there we go. So when it comes to alerts, we also have more options down below. And I like sometimes having the sound to play for 5 seconds. That way I'm absolutely certain that I heard my computer give me the alert. So I'll just go ahead and hit create, and there it is in orange. I can then just manually move it like so. I can also set it so that there's an expiry date if I like, and I can also set it so that I get notifications sent to my email, also pop up on screen. And there would also be this message here, but I could customize the message however I like. So I'll just go ahead and save that. So that's great. So that's for adding alerts. Let's see what else we have here in the keyboard shortcuts. Let's go down to drawings, because I'm sure that's what a lot of us are really interested in. So create a trend line real quick, Alt-T, horizontal line, Alt-H, Fibonacci retracement, Alt-F. So let me just quickly show you how I can quickly do that. So I'll go ahead and press Alt-T. There you go. Do it again, right? Instead of going over here and then selecting, it's just a lot easier to just press Alt-T, and there we go. And then Alt-F, we get Fibonacci retracement. Alt-H, there we go. Alt-H again, Alt-H, right? So really great to have these keyboard shortcuts, and I want to share them with you. But guys, take your time, go through that section and become very familiar with all of the keyboard shortcuts there. Now, another really great feature that I like about TradingView is that I don't have to go in and search for an asset. All I need to do is just click the screen and say I want to look at Aussie USD. You see, I just type on the screen, or Apple, hit enter, or Citigroup, so it's really, really simple to use USD CAD. So I'm switching from various assets very quickly. And another great thing that I really enjoy is that we have the option of looking at multiple screens simultaneously, which is really neat, because this is how I always had my MetaTrader 4 setup. So I would have different assets, or I would have different time frames. So I might have USD CAD on all time frames, like so. And in fact, you can actually adjust that by adding the symbol. So I just hit symbol here, and it automatically applied the same symbol to all of my charts. Same thing with the crosshairs. So when I'm viewing it on one screen, I can see it all on the others. That's for if we're using multiple time frames on each chart. So that's great to have as well. And so there's lots of different layouts that you guys can pick and choose from. I kind of like this one, but I mean, you guys will find your way as well. Okay, and also I just wanted to share with you guys another really great thing that I recently discovered, and that is these um these notes, which is really great because before, like in with MetaTrader 4, you can't leave these notes. You have to leave all of your comments on the screen and everything gets cluttered. So I like everything hidden, and I like being able to, if I need to reference one of the notes, I just hover over it and I get my information right then and there. And if I at any point find that there's just too much going on screen, all I need to do is just hit this I button and everything is removed. Now, if I need to add any indicators, I do tend to still use this section here. So if I need to add, say, the MACD, okay, I can add it like that. If I need to adjust any of the settings, you just double click, go into the settings. So you have the fast length, slow length, the source, and so on. And you can adjust that with any of the indicators, of course. Default for RSI is always 14, so just double check that, and here you can see it's 14. Okay, now if I need to remove any of these indicators, I just hit that X down below. And if I ever want to just full screen one of these charts, all I need to do is hit this full screen button down below like that, and hit it again, and it gets tucked back to where it was. Okay, so these are some really great features that I really enjoy. Also, templates, great as well. So like if I ever need to copy the templates into all of my charts, you can go ahead and you can save them. And here you can see that I have a chart saved as Mike. Let's see what that is. So that's basically that there. Mike 2, it's a different one. So I'll just switch back to Mike like that. Okay, so that way all of my charts are consistent. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions or if you guys need any answers to anything, feel free to shout at me and I will be more than happy to respond. Thanks for watching, guys. Always remember, trade safe, trade well. Bye-bye.